Hey guys, my name is Jandrey de Lange 7 and I'm going to show you how to break out of handcuffs. This is really old and there's something inside. Here you can like push down, then it can come like out and stuff. And I know my name is still Jandrey de Lange 7. I haven't haven't watched my last video for the new names and stuff. And guys, please 4 likes and yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't know if the new ones I don't think with the new ones you can do it, but let's try. First, like if you're captured, you have to put it in your mouth, and if you can see, you cannot see it and you can still talk. Then if the guys go out, you can like take it out, put it in, take it out. Just sort of go. You can take it out, and with this one as well. And that's how you break out of handcuffs. And yeah, I hope you liked this little short video. And I don't know if the old ones you can, the new ones you can do it too. And did you see that part where I squeezed my hand through? Don't do that, it's very sore. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and go watch my 5 last videos. And guys, have a great day and bye.